COPD is a lung disease known as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and the unfortunate part is that it is a very preventable disease if people didn't smoke. Clearly, smoking is the #1 risk factor for COPD, and until we eliminate smoking, we will always have it. The hard part is that it is a lung disease, and people certainly recognize when they can't breathe or they feel short of breath, so they have access to, they typically will go to a doctor to get checked out. The key is recognizing early COPD where we can make a change in the progression of the disease. And we do have ways to identify it sooner than later. Hopefully we can encourage people to stop smoking even though they don't feel symptoms, because by the time you feel symptoms with COPD, the lung has been pretty well damaged. But again, the good news is that damage can be greatly curtailed if they get access to medical care and follow some of the treatment plans.